Right, the epicenter of the epicenter is right here. Elmhurst Hospital currently running at 125% capacity as we are learning of a healthcare worker at a separate hospital that died just before he was talking about the lack of personal protective equipment. New York City's healthcare workers on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic are running out of personal protective equipment. At Mount Sinai on the west side, nurses are wearing trash bags. The cover of the New York Post describing it like this. Caius Kelly, a 48-year-old assistant nurse manager at that hospital, dying from COVID-19. Meanwhile, at Elmhurst Hospital in Queens, the number of people lining up to get tested is growing by the day.
Obviously, Elmhurst Hospital in Queens is right now the epicenter within the epicenter.
All the feet that you see.
Images from inside the hospital released by the New York Times and filmed by an emergency room doctor showing the grim reality.
Everything is not fine.
Queens, now the borough with the largest number of cases.
We're seeing the tidal wave hit.
The local council member tells us the majority of cases are neighborhood residents from Elmhurst, Jackson Heights, and Corona, mainly immigrants working in hospitality.
They don't have the luxury of being able to work from home.
This man, who lives across the street from the hospital, says he's seen it.
People from my window for the last 2 weeks, coughing, throwing up. I don't see nobody going around fumigating the floor.
As healthcare workers are begging for help.
I don't have the support that I need and even just the materials that I need physically to take care of my patients. And it's America, and we're supposed to be a first world country.
Now, the mayor says that they are delivering the supplies as they're getting them, but simply it is not coming fast enough. On that nurse that died at Mount Sinai, some of his co-workers writing online saying he was so full of life, always went above and beyond for his patients, his staff, and his fellow nurses, while the man's sister pleaded online for more personal protective equipment, writing that her brother didn't have to die. Live in Elmhurst, Queens, I'm Cristian Benavides, Pix 11 News.